Hey, this is Aditya Rawat, pursuing my degree in fashion in LP. We are working with Himdra, and I would definitely say this is such a big collaboration which LP Fashion could have actually. And the brand is itself known for innovation and sustainability and so many technology and terms which it carries in itself, which promote the term sustainability. Himdra not have just done a single, you can say, measure or have taken a single step towards something, you can say, innovating something, but it's more than that. I think working from zero pesticides to zero fertilizers to producing no water processing, I think that is something which we as a designer are also working towards. If you will focus on textile science, I think this is where we are working towards. If we talk about as a designer, I really want to say that me working with Himgra is such a big opportunity in itself that we as a designer are creating a space of sustainability and environmental friendly. At the same time, you can say ethical sourcing we are doing because this collection, which is not going to be just a collection, it's going to be a lot more than that. It's going to help us in future. And in future, the sustainability term is going to blown away the whole scenario of fashion industry. And Himra is doing it. And coming from beautiful valley and beautiful hills of Uttarakhand, it already is carrying a nature with it. And the innovation they have done with cotton and everything their fabric can be merged with everything. After doing a detailed research, I personally feel that I can feel that sense of connectivity, and I can also relate to that point of view that Himgra is not just doing something that all the other fashion brands are also doing, but working with 40 plus brands and getting acknowledged by international, you can say, a community. It's not easy for a Indian, you can say, setup to grow that fast. And talking about how the itself they are working, it's not just term of sustainability, it's just more like a eco-friendly stuff. Because as a designer, I feel that there are a lot of, you can say, disadvantages when it comes to particular forte where they are just not using that fabric, but they're also creating something which could be, you can say, which could help the environment to grow in itself. And we don't need, because India is also growing in fastest, one of the most polluted country, and textile industry is growing that fast in it. So we as a designer collaborating with Himgra is not just a small matter, but it's just a step of innovation because Himgra has already done a lot. And I think it's just our opportunity. It's in our honor for, you can say, that growing something and learning something from that phase and creating our, you can say, finally a design collection with them is will be a great opportunity. It's said by KD Sharma that Himra is going to be the future of sustainable luxury brand. And if we talk about India as a whole country, it's going to be a supermarket of luxury. So if we will see what Himra has done, I will say there is one connectivity which I really want to mention, that coming from the beautiful place of Uttarakhand, I think what they are doing, I think place where I come from, people have a lot of obligations and a lot of restrictions. But coming from this place and doing something related to nature and interventions at the same time, I think this is one of the big deal. And this is one of going to be my collection. I think I'm the person who really works on couture or really works on design element, and that part which I really feel that that was a doubt with me, which was cleared at that moment that okay, this is not a limitation on couture. Sustainability was never a limitation, but it was an open gate. And I think this is one of the pathways which I'm going to open as a designer. This is not just going to be limitation for me, but this is going to be a challenge for me at the same time. And I really want to see a lot of designers in India right now, because Himgra is not just a setup of innovation or something like that. They are giving a lot of employment, a lot of opportunity to a lot of people. And this is what we as a designer have been we discovered, to find the cause, to help people, to know the cause, to understand the story, to bring out the concept and everything. So this is what I believe. I think we can relate to Himgra at the same time. And as a designer and for the upcoming designer and budding designer, I really want to say that this is the right time for you, because this is the best gateway which you can get and you can get into, because they are not just limited to fabrics, they are limited to a lot of things, and they will never put a limitation on you, but you will have to put the limitation on so that you can extend mountains to building Charina hands. Himgra is not just building fashion, but building textile. We are building the legacy. And I, as a designer, is not building just a fashion. We are creating a statement. We are creating the story, and we are keeping the legacy of the story which started in mountains, and we are going to spread to the whole world. Thank you. And we are really excited to work with you. And I think you are ready to witness my collection, my collaboration with them. I'm really looking forward to it. Thank you.